Today we are going to discuss about the most repeated MCQs of political science. In this video, we will discuss four topics of political science. First of all, we will discuss about the state. So the first MCQs in this topic is: which of the following is the distinguishing characteristic of state as compared with other associations? Right option is D. Sovereignty is the right answer. Next is: which of the following are the four characteristics of the state? Right option is D. Next we have: the term state has often been confused with. Right answer is sovereignty. Next is: which of the following is not true about difference between the state and the government? Right option is B. According to Plato, the population of the state should be about 5,000. Right answer is A. Next question is: which of the following is true about difference between the state and the government? Right option is C. Changes in state do not come frequently, whereas in the government these are frequent. Next is: who said that state is a community permanently established for a political end? Right answer is Hall. Option A. Next is: who said that state is a territorial society divided into government and the subjects? Right option is D. Lasky. Who said that the state is a people organized for law within a definite territory? Right option is Woodrow Wilson. State has been defined as human society with political differentiations existing in it between the governed and the governance. Right option is Duguid. Next topic is Marxian theory of origin of the state. First question is: the book Origin of the Family, Private Property and the State, which contains an elaborate statement regarding the origin of state, was written by Frederick. According to Marxists, the state is a class structure. Right option is B. Which one of the following statements can be attributed to the Marxists? Right option is B. State is an instrument of exploitation. Who said that the state is nothing more than a machine for the oppression of one class by another? Option is D. Frederick Engels. According to the Marxists, state use institutions like army, police and courts for. Right option is C. Marxists are in favor of doing away with the state. Right option is A. According to Marxists, the primitive society which existed before the creation of state worked on the principle. Right option is B. According to Marxists, primitive communism is the period prior to the creation of state. Right option is D. The primitive society which existed prior to the creation of the state, according to Marxists, was a classless society. Right option is B. The primitive society was regulated by conventions and customs. Right option is D. Next topic is sovereignty of state. So first question is: The word sovereignty derives its origin from sovereignus, which belongs to the language of Latin. Right option is B. Who is ancient past felt that sovereignty was the fullness of the state. Right option is C. Roman. Who believed that sovereignty extended to all individuals and associations living in the state. Right option is C. Bodin. Who of the following distinguished between the sovereignty of the people and political sovereignty? Right option is D. Loki. Who believed that sovereignty vested in the general will? Correct option is Rousseau. External aspect of sovereignty was fully developed by Grotius. Right option is B. Name of John Austin in the development of sovereignty is associated with legal theory. Right option is C. Who of the following said that strictly speaking sovereignty is an internal power? Right option is B. Gilchrist. Which of the following is not an essential characteristic of sovereignty? Right option is wealth. Who of the following said that sovereignty is an entire thing? Right option is A. John Calhoun. Our next topic is nature, theories, and state function. So the first question is, in the past, state used to perform. Right option is B. Police functions. According to Karl Marx, state is who promotes exploitation of poor by the rich. Option is C. Most important responsibility of a welfare state is to check exploitation. Right option is C. Next question is, in ancient India, most important function of the state was to promote dharma. Dharma means divine law. In a secular state, the religion has nothing to do with politics. Right option is D. According to monistic theory about the functions of the state, right option is B. Individual and state must exist for each other. Who believed that the state should protect and restrain and not foster and promote? Right option is the monistic D. Who believed that individual independent in his own way dependent on others? Right option is D. The anarchists. Next topic is the rights. First question from this topic is, who of the following said that rights are those conditions of social life without which no man can seek in general to be himself at his best? Right option is A. Lasky. Exponents of historical theory of rights believe that the rights are the product of evolution. Right option is B. Edmund Burke's name is associated with historical theory of rights. Right option is D. Who of the following said that rights are crystallizations of customs? Right option is B. Ritchie. Historical theory of rights has been criticized because it is too narrow. Right option is B. One of the oldest theories about rights is theory of natural rights. Correct option is A. Theory of natural rights was supported by right option is C. Rousseau. Theory of natural rights has been criticized because it makes rights too static. Option is C. Static means rigid. Which theory believes that law is the only source which gives us rights? Legal theory of rights. Right option is C. Main criticism against the legal theory of rights is that it believes that state alone creates rights. Right option is A. Thank you for watching the video. In our next video, we will discuss more important MCQs.